Children, let's learn the subject English Grammar, lesson number 2, alphabetical order. So, dear children, already you have studied English alphabet in your previous class. Anyhow, I'm going to write a small letters. Just see to this. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So, here what you have to do is, today's topic is, you have to arrange the given letters in a alphabetical order. So, in a alphabetical order, you have to arrange the letters. So, this is the alphabetical order which I have wrote on the board. So, here I wanted to give you one example, that is pencil. P E N C I L, pencil. So here in this word you have to search the letters and you have to rearrange the alphabets in a order. So first letter is, what is A? Is it A is there in this word? No. So next go for the B. Is it B is there? No. Next is C. Is it C is there? Yes. So this is first letter. So you have to write it and put comma. The next one is D. Is it D is there? No. Next E is there? Yes. So write the E. Next F is there? No. G? No. H? No. I is there? Yes. Here is the I. Put comma. And next J? No. K? No. L? Yes. L is there. Right here L. The next one is M. Is there? No. N is there? Yes. N. And remaining one letter is what? P. That is the last letter. So this is the method you have to follow to rearrange a alphabetical order. So let me give you the second example, that is cat. What it is? Cat. C-A-T, cat. So here you have to search the spellings. Is it A is there in this word? Yes, it is there. So write the A here. Next B is there? No. C is there? Yes, it is there. Write it. And remaining letter is what? T. So that is, last is T. So here you are going to complete in a alphabetical order. Number 3, boy. B-O-Y, boy. So which is the first letter comes, children? So go like this only. Is it A is there? No. B is there? Yes. This is the first letter. Next, C is there? No. D? No. E? No. F? No. G? No. H? No. I? No. J? No. K? No. L? No. M? No. N? No. O? Yes. It is there. It is a O. And remaining letter is Y. Next, the last example is tree. T-R-E-E, tree. So here again you have to follow the same method. So just you see children, A is there? No. B is there? No. C? No. D? No. E? Yes. Here is there 2E. So you can write like this. So next is F? No. G? No. H? No. I? No. J? No. K? No. L? No. M? No. N? No. O? No. P? No. Q? No. R? Yes. R is there. So write the R. Next is last letter is what? T. So write it T. So this is the way you have to rearrange the alphabetical order. So dear children, I have given the homework here from the page number 9. So the first letter is cage, C-A-G-E, cage. Second, lion, L-I-O-N. Number 3, pin, P-I-N, pin. Number 4, baby, B-A-B-Y. Number 5, dog, D-O-G, dog. Number 6, car, C-A-R, car. Number 7, bed, B-E-D, bed. Number 8, orange, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Number 9, chair, C-H-A-I-R, chair. Number 10, sun, S-U-N, sun. Number 11, cup, C-U-P, cup. Number 12, ring, R-I-N-G, ring. So dear children, write down the A to Z letters and after that search these letters and rearrange these words in a alphabetical order.